I broke into a house. Actually, it was my own property. Real estate can get really rough. So today, I didn't shave, just to keep up with today's story. The sale of real estate is a big sale, no matter where it's located or what kind of home. So essentially, it's a big job. And there's times you gotta go above and beyond the call of duty. Something that doesn't quite fit the job description of a real estate agent.
All right, I just got a call from another realtor who's letting me know that we had a break-in at a property. They believe they can find themselves a place to live in a place that's not theirs. The situation now is gonna be that I've gotta make a run over there. Making this run, I'm gonna have to call the cops, meet up with them, and likely kick down the door.
Break the locks, no matter, I'll fix it. None of it matters.
How are you planning to break in?
Break into the house, because cops can't break it, so that's all I gotta do.
Just gotta hit it a little harder. One more time. And that's why mom said, eat your vegetables.
All right, so how to break the door, try to cause as least damage as possible, so this way we can get into the property and have the situation taken care of.
That's a lot of stuff. Did they really bring in a table?
Please!
So we're in the property, the cops are done, it's getting dark outside, and I figured let's get a head start and help out the contractor. When the contractor gets here, we go from a real estate show to a home remodeling show.
Nobody believes me when I tell them this.
So thanks for watching this episode and seeing some of my agent life. I look forward to bringing you more adventures and opportunities because I'll be seeing you back in the neighborhood.